The first interview round would be HR round, second would be Versant, third would be Ops round. I will give you detailed information about interview rounds and I will give you best tips and tricks as well to clear the interview. First round will be taken by HR recruiter from Accenture only, and he will ask, definitely first question would be about yourself. So when you're saying about yourself, start with your name and just explain about your work experience. In short, you don't have to give all the information about your family, and in short you can just give the information about where do you stay. So for example, I'm giving you one example. My name is Deepika. I have overall 8 years of experience into BPO industry and I stay at Kalyan. And about my family, I'm staying with my husband and my son. So like this, you can give short introduction about yourself. The definitely HR is very busy, so he don't have to listen each and every information. But in case if he's asking more about your information, then you can definitely elaborate. But initially, you can start with this. So this gives more impression about your work experience. Second round would be Versant round. It's nothing but it's a machine round. It's a 30-minute test kind of thing where you just have to give information what is written over there. Maybe you have to listen and you have to repeat. The machine wanted to understand your communication, your accent, your grammar, etc. So the best tip and trick which I would like to give you is, first thing, when you're giving Versant round, use wired hands-free or headphones. Don't use Bluetooth or something, because voice will not capture in Bluetooth basically. And if possible, give this Versant round a silent place so that other things will not capture. Otherwise, since it's a machine, it will not understand it's something else, so it will immediately give you a negative marking. So second thing, whenever you're giving Versant round, what you have to do is you have to speak loud, crisp, but don't speak too fast. Otherwise, the system will understand that you're not able to speak. Concentrate everything, whatever is. So, for example, if it is a listening round, just listen to that very carefully. And one more trick which I would like to give you is, if possible, carry pen and paper, or system will ask you to repeat the sentence. The sentence is sometimes big, so you might forget what system said. So my suggestion would be, take pen and paper and write it down. I mean, the system is saying, and then it would be easier for you to repeat it. So you have to write it very fast, but then at least you will remember that what is written over here. So my tip is this for Versant round. Third round would be Ops round. He will be the same person who will be your manager. He will check your stability again, because your communication is already checked by Versant, so he will not concentrate on your communication thing. He will only concentrate on your stability thing. So how they will check your stability? First thing, when you have completed your education. So after education, when you started working, or if you have any gap, you will have to give valid reason what exactly you were doing. So for example, if you are doing any kind of courses, or if you were doing some internship, you can mention the same thing. And that is one point. Second point, when you're working professional and you left one organization and there is a gap in second organization, so you will have to give justified reason for that, why did you left the job. So understand one thing, if you are giving interview after 3 years 4 years in Accenture, so you have your past experience is 3 years in one company, and then if you are saying that you are looking for a growth, it should be fine. But after 6 months, if you are applying for a job and you are saying I'm looking for a growth, they will directly reject you, because within 6 months you cannot expect any growth. So in 4 years, if you're applying for a job and they will ask why you want to leave the job, you can simply say that you're looking for a for new opportunity. You already learned a lot of things. That is one important thing. So maybe you will get a rebuttal from interviewers that you have already spent 3 to 4 years over there. Why didn't you apply it for a senior position? If the interviewer is asking this question, your answer should be that you have applied for IJP internally, you got promoted as well, but the maybe the manager position, quality position need more experience, or you applied but unfortunately you were not able to do that. Best thing which you can say is, I learned this kind of thing in my past company and it is very good experience for me, but now what I'm looking for a new opportunity where I can learn new things and I want to grow, and this is my time to settle in good company. And definitely Accenture is a brand name to settle, hence I'm giving interview over here and I would like to settle my career over here. So that is the reason why I'm applying for Accenture.